Hello and welcome to CRA Diecast for another diecast unboxing. Just a quick shout out to all my subscribers. Thanks for joining the channel. Appreciate your support. On today's video I did pick up a new 5-pack from Matchbox, and it's called Autobahn Express number 4. And it's got this nice Volkswagen, nice BMW, this Audi, this other nice BMW in gold, and the one I really wanted was this Mercedes-Benz TE wagon. Got a few variations of that in about 3 different colours. So this is from their Matchbox 70th year anniversary set. I'll open up all of them and have a look. First one is this Volkswagen Police Bug. I think it's from Russian. It looks like it's Russian livery, or it could be German. But it does look nice. I can't imagine this flying down the Autobahn, but I guess it could be supercharged or anything. But it's a nice casting. It's got the police green paint from West Germany, I think it is. Nice little hubcaps on the wheels, tow hook at the back, and a faux sliding sunroof on the top. And they've detailed the headlamps and little marker lights as well. And this is, can't see the copyright date, it's too dark. But it's plastic base, metal body, 2 rivets. That's a cool little casting. And then the next one, I've got a few of these in the collection. It's a 1969 BMW 2002 Coupe in a nice metallic blue. Again, same sort of wheels as the Volkswagen, but this one's got chrome trim rings around it. Twin side mirrors. Copyright 2018, so it's been around a little while. They've done a great job on the rear. Nice license plate details and brake lamp details. This is metal body and plastic base, and a nice job on that grille. A little bit of black accents in the kidney grille. Silver finished headlamps, and left-hand drive. Yeah, I do like this casting. Yeah, they've done an excellent job on the tampos on the rear. And the next one is a 2019 Audi TT RS Coupe in gloss black. I've got a couple of these in different variations in the collection. And this is copyright 2020. Really nice gloss black, left-hand drive. Nice choice of wheels on it. And you can just barely see the brake discs behind the mag wheels. And oh yeah, well done on the rear, the TT badging and the Audi rings and the brake lamps. Again, twin side mirrors, and awesome job on that grille and the LED headlamps and the Audi rings as well. So yeah, this is striking, especially in gloss black. Oh, and the next one, it wasn't a BMW, it's an Alpha, it's just on the side. Very similar profile to the BMW 3 Series, but this is a 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia in gold. And this one looks really nice as well. Looks more like a premium casting. Yeah, from the side it does look like a 3 Series BMW. It's got my favourite Matchbox wheels, twin multi-spoke, twin side mirrors, nice gold metallic paint. And yes, they've done a beautiful job on the rear, Audi badge, Giulia in the number plate, a couple of quad exhausts, and excellent details on the brake lamps, and a little boot mounted spoiler, and they painted that black. And it's got the shark fin antenna on the rear. And oh yeah, great job with that Alpha grille, the headlamps and the lower grille. Yeah, it's really nice in this gold, black interior. Yeah, excellent job, Matchbox. And the next one is one I am a fan of and collect quite a few variations of it, the Mercedes-Benz W123 wagon. This one's in metallic tan. The sunroof, nice trim rings and hubcaps on the wheels. But, oh yeah, they've detailed the rear really nicely with the Mercedes star, and I can't see what the 230 TE maybe, and the license plate. Copyright 2018. It's a pity they couldn't do the grille. Maybe a little chrome pen and a little bit of black wash would fix that. But they've got silver finish on the headlamps, twin side mirrors, beige interior, stick shift. See the console there. Yeah, it's a nice wagon. Another nice addition to my Mercedes collection. So if you can find this 5-pack, it's well worth getting. Some really nice castings in there. So I'll just do a quick overview. Got a nice little VW police car in the beautiful BMW 2002, and then the Audi TT, then the Alfa Romeo, looks gorgeous, and then the Mercedes TE wagon. So thanks very much for dropping by. If you really enjoy this little clip, just hit the thumbs up and share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos. And once again, thanks very much, and we'll catch you on my next video. So cheers for now.